So after zillion years of posting my last video, here I am again with the same face and oddly curled hair. So today I thought, why not, let's just record the whole process of cleaning and organizing my living room. So today is the day when I saw the max amount of dust on the surface of my TV unit and I went crazy. There has been a lot of construction happening around my apartment and dust is an everyday guest, guys. This is not something that I have to do twice a week or thrice a week. Dusting is something that I have to do every day. You can feel dust under your feet if I don't vacuum and mop my surface for like max 2 days. I don't use any surface cleaner to wipe anything. I just spray a little bit of water and take a cloth or a sponge or anything just to wipe the surface. That's the easiest way to do it. And just look at the amount of dust at the corner. Just look at it. Keeping my surrounding and environment clean is something that comes effortlessly to me. That is not something that, I have to motivate myself to. There is no external force that is required. That is very effortless from my end. So after cleaning the surface, I place everything back. This is a very cute tissue box I got as a gift on my birthday and I love it. It looks so cute. It just enhances the whole TV unit for me. So now we'll move on to the center table. So I'm just gonna remove everything from the surface and just gonna wipe it with spraying a little bit of water. Just see the amount of dust, guys. Can you see? I'm telling you, I'm going crazy. So I'm continuing with my story. So since 2012, I moved out from my parents' place. So it's been 12 years I'm living on my own. So cleaning and maintaining comes very naturally to me. So yeah, so that is something which I do and I like doing. It gives me mental peace. It removes stress. I just like the whole process. Now we will move on to my crockery unit, so-called crockery unit. I'm planning to buy a new one. Actually, I'll get it customized because I have some ideas in my head, but I'm not getting time to do it. So yeah, same thing here again. I'll spray some water. I shouldn't have cleaned that mirror with water, right? Should have used Colin. I forgot. Probably next time. Moving on to my dining table. I love this table. It has 4 chairs and 1 bench on the other side. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it. And I'm so tired. And it's so hot in Bangalore. My God. So again, I'm gonna remove everything. This is the runner I got from a flea market. I really like it. It gives a bohemian look to the whole apartment. So dining table is a place where you tend to accumulate a lot of stuff because if you're roaming around, you just keep your stuff. Like I have my medicines, I have my supplements on top of it. So make sure when you are organizing everything back, try to keep everything back at its place. Don't make it a dump ground, guys. It looks really bad and it tends to accumulate a lot of unnecessary stuff. Now we are at the last step of cleaning. Now we have to vacuum and mop the whole house. Look at the board, guys. Oh my God. So I always start with vacuuming my sofa and my carpet because this is the place where you can't see the dust, but let's just remove the table for now or else I might get again. So yeah, so once I start vacuuming, right, so I started with a clean container in the vacuum because once I start cleaning, right, I could see the amount of dust it has and oh my God. So once I vacuum the sofa and I see dust collected in that box, right, it gives me very calming feeling ki chalo ab ye saaf hai. So once I'm done with that, I organize all my cushions and everything back at the place. Then I vacuum rest of my sofa. So I have a different connector to vacuum the sofa. I don't use the same one which I use to vacuum the surface. So once I'm done with the sofa, I change the connector to the regular one and then I vacuum. So this is the part which cancels the noise of the vacuum cleaner and it was so hot, I wasn't able to fix it properly. But somehow I managed to do it and I'm thinking if it's gonna come out next time, I'm not gonna even fix it again. So yeah, back to vacuuming and it looks good now. So now I'm gonna organize my table back. I'm gonna vacuum rest of the apartment. Then I'm gonna mop rest of the apartment. This is the least interesting part. So here is the time lapse of the whole process, the least interesting process. Wait. I have something for you guys. You guys already know that I love Zouk. I have done so many collabs with them. I really like their products, and the next product that I have for you guys is this belly. Zouk is a proudly Indian 100% PETA approved vegan brand. This comfortable chic footwear will add style and vibe to your overall look. Made for utmost comfort, these are crafted with specially designed softened soles and breathable lining to absorb minimum sweat. This must-have footwear will add a modern classic to your fashion game. There are multiple options available on the Zouk's website where you can go yourself and choose something which suits your style and your personality. If you want to buy anything from Zouk's website, you can use my coupon code YTAkanksha10 for extra 10% off on anything on Zouk's website. I love these bellies and I'm definitely gonna buy one for my mom as well. She also loved it a lot. I'm gonna link everything in the below description box so you can go and check it out, and I'm also gonna mention the coupon code so there shouldn't be any spelling mistake. Sun is setting and I have given you all the information, so let me show you how my house looks right now.
Post all the cleaning activities.
And I am sweating and it's so hot in Bangalore and I can't even switch on the fan and it's crazy. Now let me show you the final reveal.